Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to swing trade on Robinhood. Swing trading is a popular trading strategy that involves holding stocks for a short period, typically from a few days to a few weeks, in an attempt to profit from price movements. To get started, you will need to download the Robinhood app and create an account. First, you need to understand the key concepts of swing trading, including technical analysis, chart patterns, and risk management. Technical analysis involves studying charts and patterns to predict future price movements. Chart patterns, such as trends and reversals, can help you identify potential trading opportunities. Next, you need to choose the stocks you want to trade. Look for stocks with high liquidity and volatility, as these tend to offer the best opportunities for swing trading. You can use the Robinhood app to browse through various stocks and view their charts and news. Once you have selected a stock, you need to set an entry and exit point. The entry point is the price at which you buy the stock, and the exit point is the price at which you sell the stock. You can use technical indicators, such as moving averages and relative strength index, to help you determine the entry and exit points. It is also important to manage your risk. Set a stop loss, which is the price at which you will sell the stock if it falls below a certain level. This will help you limit your losses if the trade does not go in your favor. You can also set a take profit, which is the price at which you will sell the stock if it reaches a certain level. To place a trade on Robinhood, simply select the stock you want to trade. Choose the number of shares you want to buy or sell, and set your entry and exit points. You can also use the app to monitor your trades and adjust your strategy as needed. Some best practices to keep in mind when swing trading on Robinhood include starting small, being patient, and staying disciplined. It is also important to stay up to date with market news and trends, as these can impact the performance of your trades. In conclusion, swing trading on Robinhood can be a profitable and exciting way to trade stocks. By understanding the key concepts, choosing the right stocks, setting entry and exit points, and managing your risk, you can increase your chances of success. Remember to always stay disciplined and patient, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. With practice and experience, you can become a successful swing trader on Robinhood.